Hello friends, today I will discuss about the base. When we think about the base, then our mind think about that base are those substances which are bitter in taste. मीन्स जो चीजें हम खाएं और हमें खाने पर वो बिटर टेस्ट में हो, कड़वे टेस्ट में, तो वो बेस कहलाएगा. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Second is बेस वो चीजें हैं जो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट कर. मीन्स बेस आर दो सब्सटेंसेस विच कन्वर्ट रेड लिटमस पेपर इनटू ब्लू लिटमस. Third, base are those substances when touched, then it feels as soapy in nature. मीन जैसे आप सोप को टच करते होंगे तो सोप लाइक एक नेचर आता है. दैट इज द soapy in touch. And one more important thing is that base are those substances when dissolved in water they produces hydroxide ion. Means dissolve in water, it produces hydroxide ion. As an example, NaOH, that is caustic soda, or sodium hydroxide, it dissolves in water, then it produces Na plus and OH minus. Means those things when dissolved in water and produces hydroxide ion are called base. Second example, potassium hydroxide dissolved in water, then it produces potassium ion and hydroxide ion. Next example, calcium hydroxide dissolved in water, it also produces calcium ion and hydroxide ion. So these are the base. Again, base are those substances which are bitter in taste, which convert red litmus paper into blue, soapy in touch, dissolve in water, then it produces hydroxide ion. All these properties are related to the base. Now, if we classify the base, then we can classify the base into two categories. First one is strong base. Second one, weak base. Strong base can ऐसे बेस जिसे हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व करें and they produces large amount of hydroxide ion. And when the base dissolve in water, then produces less amount of hydroxide ion. Means, as an example, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड वाटर में डिसॉल्व किया, it produces Na plus and OH minus. This is hydroxide ion. Means when we take the 100 molecules of sodium hydroxide, then we get the 100 ions of hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide dissolve in water, then also they are completely ionized. They are 100% brick. They are 100% ionized. So that type of base is called strong base. Potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, all these bases are strong base. But in case of weak base, those base when dissolved in water and produces less amount of hydroxide ion, like as ammonium hydroxide, it breaks into NH4 plus and OH minus. If we take the 100 molecules of ammonium hydroxide, 100 molecules लिया, तो वाटर में डिसॉल्व करने के बाद केवल और केवल 40 मॉलिक्यूल्स ही ब्रेक हो पाए अमोनियम में और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन, मींस केवल 100% हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन हमें मिले, मींस 40% हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन मिले, मींस 60 molecules are not break. So that type of base is called weak base. Weak base. Now, very important alkali. Here when we discuss about the base, that means alkali. So what is the alkali? alkali क्या है? ऐसे बेस जो पानी में डिसॉल्व हो जाए, मीन दोज बेस विच डिसॉल्व इन वाटर आर कॉल्ड alkali. ऐसे बेस जो पानी में डिसॉल्व हो जाए, ऐसे बेस को हम लोग बोलते हैं alkali. मीन्स दोज बेस which dissolve in water. Example: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. These bases are called alkali. Now, the properties of base. When we discuss the properties of base, then properties of base is divided into two categories. First one, physical properties. What is the physical property? Number one, bitter in taste. Second one, soapy in touch. Third, convert red litmus into blue color. Fourth one, it conduct इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट कर पाते, इनमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होता है, इसमें करंट पास होता है, ऐसे सब्सटेंस को हम लोग कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलाइट। इलेक्ट्रोलाइट। So these are the physical properties of base. Now the chemical properties of base. First one is the reaction with metal. Like an example, sodium hydroxide, it reacts with zinc, then it produces sodium zincate Na2ZnO2. This is very important compound and the formula of sodium zincate, and also releases hydrogen gas. When metal is react with base, this is the sodium hydroxide, this is the zinc metal, react with sodium hydroxide, react with zinc, then it produces sodium zincate and release of hydrogen gas. But this reaction is not common for all the metals. मीन्स और सभी मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन गैस का रिलीज नहीं कर सकते हैं। कुछ ही मेटल्स हैं जो बेस से रिएक्ट करने के बाद हाइड्रोजन गैस का रिलीज करते हैं। सेकंड थिंग, रिएक्शन विथ एसिड, दिस इज द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। Means like as when base is react with acid like as H2SO4, then it produces salt and hydrogen gas. I'm sorry, this is the base and this is the acid. It produces Na2SO4 and water, means salt and water. Means when base is react with acid, then it produces salt and water. This is the sodium sulfate salt and water. Third example, reaction with non-metal oxide, like as when calcium hydroxide, that is base, it react with carbon dioxide, non-metal oxide, then it forms salt, calcium carbonate and water. This is calcium hydroxide, this is carbon dioxide, this is calcium carbonate, which is salt, and this is water. So these are the chemical properties of base. So now what is common in all the base? what is common in all the base? When base is dissolved in water, then it produces hydroxide. Means common in all base. Like as sodium hydroxide, it produces Na plus and OH minus. Calcium hydroxide, water produces calcium ion and hydroxide ion. Magnesium hydroxide, it produces magnesium ion and hydroxide ion. So you can see that from all these bases, when dissolved in water, then it produces hydroxide ion. Means common in all bases is hydroxide ion. Okay, thank you very much. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel. Who is new, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.